Eba makwaba mesho so be subscribe amaye na afenso no we mia notification key ne so ede amaye midin ediketri akwasi yeboa na yewra Kennedy akompre kwa Japan eye asen central brashe bedwani onukuru ya so e prese MPP amayoko ni ame adoma 4th November ombeto abade ama no na wabetu franka ede ama amanyoku no na ono na ndi Ghana ha no yenim se most of the times especially nansen no ne nsema hodo bi eye otai eka na nyina ne se MPP fo anto aba na ama na meche delegates no omo anto aba na ama na obema the NPP for showdown which the showdown no eba be to say ebe attack on the president and also attack on the vice president which some of us ye ne nya adwene there because party ba ku mu ade a mo ye enti ni se koba se dede no ebe mo be ye deda ma obekeka nsem ama na akoha party na ebe hardren pa seriously ebe hardren pa so yewura ba ko ede nsem abetu jo no deputy general secretary edema the NPP amayoko no Haruna Mohammed yewura Haruna Mohammed the deputy general secretary for the NPP no dey say mabetu dwa HM say esema hodo a yewura Kennedy akompre kwa Japan since central brashe bedwani no eka no eniema bebre na especially ensem a corruption related no bebre na enye no krempo because none of the candidates are age na no na obetumi de corruption abatabata omo ho ketahye ne proye de untumi mfem batabata omo ho enye yie nti nsem ahodo a yewura Kennedy akompre kwa Japan eka se kamia se omo gina the other candidates no omo ho wo corruption related issues no or chemu say yewura Haruna Mohammed deputy general secretary for the NPP chemu say enye no kre and there is no proof, there is no evidence attached to whatever Kennedy eka no enti mayentie nia era Kennedy akompre ko Japan eka no enti no or this answer not to ja na wasan ade era Kennedy akompre ko Japan says so ye be ma you should come out with an evidence a say one era Bawumia is involved in any corruption activities and I say free year kuto adainimo and era Boache Jako Omumubi is involved in corruption related issues. There is none. Bibi anyone my tresa until why Kennedy going out roaring say you can say the other candidates no omo hu worketarish ne pro any other stuff since no say the NPP ko yi omo a ebeye disaster the ama yoko na no no Kennedy no will prove to Ghanaians say ibi a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia ye corrupt and say any other candidates near corrupt which me no in some way me ya me nim the American say me nim say is not any other candidate say Dr. Bawumia and a Kennedy no but this issues no and the deputy secretary general secretary yera Haruna Mohammed ede nsema to dwa HM say enukre bi enim and Kennedy na animu no oni any how do you call it oni any evidence bia attached to whatever he's saying nti ye ne nsema ye oka no I say Ghana for na benya gide woni mu say Kennedy di oka no kre Kennedy di oka no kre no those nsem no na I say wa okeka keka nti no Ghana for him say the TBA Ghana for Begina to say whatever Kennedy Beka no no cre untina on so can't do and sense no which the baby or the could read there only evidence be because say our evidence or your mind papa as I say or they omoko the police station and I said the appropriate quarters na ye investigate omo na ye say if no cre say almost attached to any corruption related issues. But Kennedy, yes, I and Sansem William, I say about a Tochene Sana, Yura, a Haruna Mohammed, the Deputy General Secretary for the New Patriotic Party, a Truja. Nayente in Samoa, Yura, Haruna Mohammed, a Kainibi.
And the spectators. Unim say Obi, corruption deals and our corrupt activities are. What is the rule, say, who as a citizen, all corruption allegations are omonimaya investigative bodies about bonting yeah. Even John Dramani Mahama corruption case I call no so Siraj Ekoye investigation about say ampa waji Ford expedition anyway any corruption is attached to him no. Even the NDC doesn't talk that way to him because it was an established fact by Siraj. So if on him say Obi are involved in corrupt activities, there is the bodies to establish that no report it because that is the way to go as citizens of this country. Once we respect him, but you need no any join on that particular score because there is no established fact say we are corrupt. And for the 4, including him, I can stand my neck out for the 4 of them, including him. Say there is no any established fact of corruption against any of them.
What about other leaders within the party are campaigning?
Omo contested. Omo to aba Emma a corrupt leader, and there are only 4.
And I mean, so me ready Hanema wono or say we say or accuse some leaders of the party or Western region now or say my delegates ain't see the leader be or party in Babeka corrupt leaders or party in Babeka no one say be in France me a part of Asamka no Babeka PSS as a delegate say Toma Asuma Simum and Toma Bentin into within the party we in penny for no sin China leaders need be all party in my air campaign for other candidates no what they kill money nas to they are all corrupt based on only information and they do want within the party no as a corrupt
so we have 2 issues every constitution of the Republic of Ghana. One, a right, and other no a responsibility.
Okay.
A responsibility to report. When you say we are corrupt, and answer or involved in corrupt activities, a responsibility to report. And to me friend, one kwakwa reporti obi biara onim say or your corrupt activities. And your kasano. It is your right to speak. It is your responsibility to report.
So, is it all calling on him? And yes. What then says will be on reporting.
That's exactly because he has to report. If that is so, because there is no any established fact against him or any other leader. On himself, be a coswa na onu there or some facts are in here or the responsibility to report. Once he has a right to speak or the responsibility to report and the appropriate bodies for corruption-related activities. And
is the party ready for that?
The party stands for democracy and the party frowns on corruption. The party frowns on that. The government frowns on that. Akufo-Addo doesn't like it. So if say, Onim say, we, as you may see, we na emfata, he has a right to report. Now, all the bodies here for corruption-related activities, that is the way to go.
Mate, me da say, PSA, me pacho meet you on the same issue. Sadie, Honorable Kennedy Japan, Kano, who is a no crabby to me or baby Anna.
I'm a dog critic because of the Shanti. We're City FM online, October 26, 2017. It finds 18 incidents of vigilante violence recorded since MPP's victory. This is in 2017.